Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of our home decorating ideas and updates for fall 2023. My name is Dede. Welcome to Dede's Home Interior. On this channel, I do home decor, inspiration and ideas, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create homes that look a lot more high-end than they actually are. If this is content that you are interested in, please sit back, relax, stay tuned, and keep on watching. This video is a special video in collaboration with a company called Ernest. Listen guys, I cannot believe that I had to use a hammer to unlock a product, and this is what I call A+ customer service. If you're one of those who has struggled with broken furniture upon arrival, this is the company for you. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have removed all the cage wood or the wood cage. So I've removed everything, and you can see it's just standing on top of the box, and it is really dirty. So I don't see myself taking this into the house. So I'm gonna try to open it up here, and it is super heavy. I don't know the weight of this thing. I don't know how many pounds this is, but this is heavy. This is really heavy. I couldn't just wait. It says here that do not cut with a sharp object, but how am I supposed to open this? I think I need to cut with a sharp object. This is really exciting because I loved how well packaged it came. Like, you can clearly tell that's so much thought, and they just don't want to get casualties. They don't want to get people telling them that this product is broken. But guys, wow. This is the first I'm seeing a company package their products this good. And I am really excited to see how this looks inside. But I am definitely super pumped. Woo. Let's get going with this whole thing. While we unbox this, let's quickly talk about this company because I'm sure you're as curious as I was when I first heard about them. Ernest is an online shop based in the United States, and they are committed to delivering premium household products coupled with exceptional customer service. And I tell you that I have definitely experienced that, because once this box was at my door, I got a call from FedEx, and they walked this product, helped us lift the product. We did not even assist them. They lifted it into my garage, and guys, I am so happy by that customer service. That is already a big check for me. Ernest also believes that creating distinctive products and amazing customer shopping experience are enduring trends that will never go out of style. I'm sure you all believe that, because I am definitely enjoying how beautiful and unique this product is already looking as I unbox it. I cannot wait for you guys to see the full reveal of the product.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this.
One thing about me is I love to create a unique, beautiful, elegant, classy, but very functional home. And of course, this TV display cabinet stand was just gonna do it for me. As you can see how beautiful it looks with amazing storage space. Another thing to note about my husband and I is that we love beautiful stuff, but we are not handy. We were already making a mistake just setting up the legs. This TV stand comes pre-set up, and you just have to set up the legs and the top part, but we were already off key. funny thing is, we thought we were killing it while putting it together, not knowing that we were already off completely. But then we're going to correct it in just a minute. So guys, just have fun with us like we were having fun, because this TV stand is amazing. This is exactly how it was supposed to go, and finally we got it right. So my husband decided to redo the bottom part before putting the legs in, and then we're going to redo the top part. So my side was right, my husband's side was wrong. But guys, we were having fun because this particular TV stand is so beautiful, and we were excited about the outcome. We couldn't wait. The entire household, you can see the kids keep coming back and forth just to see how it's gonna turn out. And guys, oh my god, I cannot wait for you guys to see the reveal. But we were super excited, and there are two furnitures that I'm going to be showing you guys for this video. This is just one of them. I cannot wait for you guys to see the second furniture, because it was actually even more beautiful.
Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
As you can see, I was enjoying myself doing this setup like I said. So my husband just decided to go ahead and clean up after we placed the furniture where we thought it was going to be good for the house. Then we went ahead. This is the next day. I got the coffee table from Ernest as well. Guys, listen, the packaging, just look at how well packaged this one was. This is not as heavy as the other one, but it was also well packaged, as you're going to see in a minute. A lot of styrofoam, just things to keep it, prevent it from breaking. And I was really impressed with the way their packaging comes and the quality of the product. Guys, look at how beautiful this is. Because of what happened yesterday, I was ready to make sure that I understand what the instructions were. And yes, I was ready to get this going. So guys, unbox the coffee table with me as we get ready to set it up and then reveal both furnitures to you guys in just a few minutes.
Come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away, show us where we are.
Okay guys, so this is what we have so far after the unboxing. You can see all the packs that came in, including this one, but that's the empty box over there. And we have everything numbered. I don't know how to set up. I'm sure you might have seen that from the previous furniture, but I'm not that handy. But guys, thank God it came with the manual, and I'm going to be using this manual and any video I find online, if there is any, to learn how to set up this. It's supposed to be a coffee table that looks like this, but I'm not very good at just following these instructions. I'm a very visual person. I need to see what somebody else has done. Even the pictures usually don't help me when it comes to setups, but I'm hoping that this is not too bad. Please guys, you better pray for me. Hope that I don't mess it up. But yeah, thank you Ernest for this. I'm excited. So one of the things that usually scare me when I open the manual and I start seeing all this stuff, it just scares the heck out of me, because when I see them, it's like, oh my god, what is this? Like, how am I supposed to follow this? But anyway, I'm hoping that, look, it's very repetitive. Like, look, it's probably easy, but just looking at diagrams scared the heck out of me. I'm sure I'm gonna be all right. I'm sure it's not gonna be that serious, but guys, just look at this. BB2 1 BB3 4 BB. Oh my goodness, look, it's just 4 steps. Wow. Okay, let's do this. So far with this coffee table, I thought I nailed it. I almost did every single setup by myself. It was super easy and quicker than the TV stand that really needed just the legs to be set. But for some reason, we messed up on that side. But this one was pretty easy and straightforward, so I didn't have to look for videos, I didn't have to look at anything online, and I did an amazing job. And I just want you guys to cheer for me. So my husband came a few times just to help me out, figure out some things, but listen, I had it down. And on this one, you need no tools apart from the tools that were put in the box. How convenient. I love it. If you are still watching, thank you so much for supporting your girl up to this point. Just a quick reminder that I have a discount code with Ernest. If you want to shop on the website, please do well to use my discount code and of course get some money off your purchase, because I love everything that I got from this company, and I am super excited because Ernest came through to save our lives that always have complaints about customer service and also broken furniture. So yeah, and they also have very unique items on their website. Do well to check them out and thank me later. Of course, I cannot wait for you guys to see the full review of both furnitures put together in my living room. This was not a set, it didn't come as a set. They are all different furnitures on their own, sold separately on the website.
Doesn't make any sense to me, but who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else.
So for the top part of the coffee table, we had to use these sticky things. I don't know how they are called for real, but we have to use that before putting up the marble top on this coffee table. You know, different from the coffee table I had before, it was a glass top, and I have been looking and searching to use something that I don't have to stress to clean. Look at this beauty. I love the details of this table, guys. You cannot understand how modern, classy, elegant, chic this table looks. I now have no reason to worry about my 8-month-old being hurt on the edges of my coffee table. How convenient, beautiful, classy, and elegant this looks. Of course, let's take a look at our beautiful cabinet. Guys, look at all this storage space. I'm already settling in with my candle that I have in there. I will be using this for a lot of storage because I also have my baby stuff sometimes in the living room and I don't want anyone to see, so I will use some of this storage for my baby stuff, and so some things that my kids play with, toys, extra decor pieces, remote controls. You know, I'm always into using boxes for everything, but the details, I am excited. The brass on this both furnitures, I love the fact that it's not very shiny, it's so muted. And guys, look at how beautiful and elegant and gorgeous this looks. I just love all the storage space and how functional this is, because we all need functional decor. Look at the modern detail on this display cabinet or TV stand. Oh my god, I am really excited. I am pumped. I love the marble top. I just love every detail. Oh my gosh, you guys tell me your thoughts and let me know if this was a good find, if this is something that you would purchase, if this is something that you would love to have in your home, because don't forget, I have a discount code with this company, so do well to check it out. Use my code and get some dollars off your purchase, okay?
If I wrote you a song perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper. Would it make any difference? Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem? If I posted a letter?